Hi, this is Dean from Worldwide Trekking, and today I'm going to talk about the gear that you need for Mount Everest Base Camp and your trek. We'll start with Daypacks and the baggage that you'll need to use to pack all of your gear in. First off, you're going to want a day pack. Day pack, 25 to 30 liter day pack. There are a ton of brands of day packs on the market. It's important that it doesn't have too much weight to it, so you want something kind of simple, and you want to think about the things that you're going to put in the day pack. You're going to put a couple water bottles, 1 liter bottles, some trail snacks, possibly a layer change, like a warmer layer or a wind or a rain layer, and that kind of thing. So it just has to comfortably fit the items that you're going to need between villages as you trek during the day. A little bit of sunblock, a couple trail snacks, a change of layer or an extra layer, and a couple water bottles, and that's about all your day pack really needs to be. Your guide will help you decide what to put in the day pack each day. The next thing that you're going to need is a large poly duffel bag. We like the North Face brand. Your bag's going to be transported on the pack animal, a yak, a duffel bag, along the trail, so you won't see that from the time you leave in the morning until you get to the village where you're going to spend the night. Poly duffel bag is going to be water repellent, and it's going to protect your items when they're on the yak and they're transported between villages. If it's raining or something out, it's going to keep your gear dry. The North Face extra large brand works well. When you're packing up all of your items, I like to bring a variety of Ditty Bags. These actually are a Ditty Bag that's waterproof. It's a waterproof bag, and it's a lightweight one, but that way I take these Ditty Bags and I might put a certain type, like my underlayers and some spare pants and different things in the red one, and then in the green one I might put my socks and underwear. And that way when I'm packing up, all of the Ditty Bags or the waterproof bags are in my duffel bag, and I can see the different colors, and I know what's in the different colors, and it just makes things efficient. A lot of people, myself included, use just Ziploc bags to pack incidental items in, socks in. They're waterproof, they're clear, they're easy to see what's in there, they're cheap, and they're easy to get. So you think on your trek to Mount Everest Base Camp, you're moving every day, so you're getting to the tea house lodge later in the afternoon. You're going to change into something warm and dry and comfortable for the night. You're going to be out the next morning early. You want to be as efficient as possible packing and unpacking each day so you can comfortably travel from lodge to lodge. You'll have your day pack, and you'll have your large duffel bag to pack all of your items in, and then the other piece of gear that you're going to want to bring with you on the trek to Everest Base Camp is just a secondary bag. It can be a rolling suitcase, it can be a canvas duffel bag, and this secondary bag is going to be anything that I don't want to bring on the trek. So when we leave Kathmandu and head in on the trek, I'm going to put any items that I don't need. If I have a rolling suitcase and I put my laptop computer in there and the travel clothes, maybe you're going on to Thailand afterwards and you have other gear that you're bringing, anything that we don't need on the trek, we leave it at the hotel. When you come back out after the trek, it's going to be waiting for you at the hotel, so all of the gear that you don't need while we're trekking is safely stored in Kathmandu. Thank you for watching our video on our packing list for Mount Everest Base Camp. The entire list is below, so check that out. Contact us directly if you have any questions. And this is our list for Mount Everest Base Camp.